So hey, what is up guys, it's me Ryder back again with another video. And I know it's been so long I haven't uploaded anything on YouTube. So I was kind of stuck with some problems, but now we are back. So without any further ado, let's get right to the video. Okay, so imagine one day a random guy asks a pic of yours and you give that pic the person the pic. Okay, so you got no idea what a person can do with a pic. I mean, for real, a pic can reveal a lot of information about yourself. So suppose if you click that pic at your house, then the person know exactly where you live, your mobile model number, your mobile camera model number, the exact time when the pic was clicked, name of the owner of the pic, and a lot of information. I mean, that's all creepy, right? But I'm not kidding. I'm gonna show you how to do that all, and after the end of the video, you can do that all of your own. By the way, that's my friend Randa Pai. We are giving a little demonstration how to get someone's pic. He got a YouTube channel. He upload gaming videos. So if you like gaming content, then you can check his channel. You will find the link in the description. So shout out to Randa Pai. Okay, so this is the trick used by cybersecurity expert, ethical hackers, and this all comes under forensics and FIB and FBI and other stuff. People use this trick. Okay, so if you use this trick for any illegal action, then you are the one responsible for that. I'm just telling for educational purpose. And this is the pic. We're gonna test that on because I told you it will give the exact location, and I don't want to reveal anything about myself. Okay, so I'll tell you the two ways of doing this. So the first way is using online tools, and the other way is using Linux. So if you don't know anything about Linux, then I'll suggest you that after this online thing, you can skip this video. Okay, so you have to open any browser and search for EXIF viewer or metadata viewer. Both means the same. Okay, and there are a lot of results. You can click on any of them. And by the way, if you want more information, then you can check description box. I have written some more information because I don't wanna make this video lot of theoretical. I like to be practical stuff. Okay, so here drag and drop, and we have to click on view image detail, and it will take around 1 or 2 seconds, and boom. And now there are a lot of information, and your screen gonna be flooded with information. And I'll mark out all the important information. Like here you can see Greg is the owner of this pic, and you can see the location and GPS coordinates. And if you know GPS about something about GPS coordinates, then you can find exact location from GPS coordinates. So GPS coordinates are the you can say the perfect way of getting someone's location. They are exact to the point. Okay, so there are further informations like Casio Computer Co Limited. So that's the company who made that camera. So I mean, most of people who knows that company. And look, you got a lot of information, as well as you got the email of that person who owned this pic, as well as you can find this GPS position, and there are a lot of information. You can go through this all information of your own. So I just gonna copy this GPS coordinates because that is the only thing we're gonna focus on this video. And we have to just make some little changes, like make north to n, that's how it works. You can just watch from the screen because I'm really bad at explaining stuff. Okay, now you can see the Google map, and now here's where the pic was clicked. You can find the location, and that's 360 view. I don't think I have to give you more information about Google Maps because that's something we generally use. So that's how we get to know someone's location, exact location. And I believe that the thing above is the where the pic was clicked. So I showed you how to get location by using online tools. You don't have to download anything else. And now I'm gonna show you how to do this all using Kali Linux. So if you don't know how to use Linux and all, then I'll suggest you can leave this video, and you stick to the video till now, and I'm really thankful for that. And if you like this video, then you can hit like, and if you got some questions or want to say anything, you can just comment down below, and I will reply to you within 24 hours. And okay, so here we are installing a tool named as EXIF tool. So there are two ways of doing that, as you know, either by using apt-get or using GitHub. So now we need that image. So I'm using XAMPP to run Apache server to transfer that pic to our host to the virtual machine. And now I'm looking for my IP address. So that's my local IP 192.168.0.0.7. That's my local IP. So on this IP the Apache server is running. So I'll use my Firefox and to access that, and here I can download that pic. So I'm gonna save that real quick. And that's the problem with virtual machine, that it always has problem with resolution and stuff. And it's been so long I haven't updated my virtual machine. I don't really use that anymore. Okay, so here we have to give permission to that exif tool. So change mod plus X to give executable permission, and then the folder name, and then change directory to that folder, and then sudo bash, dot and slash is known as sudo bash, and then our tool. And then I'm gonna drag and drop because I don't wanna open a new terminal and then type pwd and then get the whole information and copy paste. So here's the whole information we got. That's the whole same information we got in that online tool thing, but there's something different that's called file permission, and that's something related to Linux file permission, and that's not the video about Linux file permission. I'll make another video on that. So that's the GPL location and other stuff like the location, pin code, and other information. So I hope you like this video, and if you need further information you can check the description box, and if you got some queries you can just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I appreciate if you guys have watched till now. Okay, so see you guys in the next one. Bye, peace.